And our winner.
And our number one guy, Shawn here, is from my stomping ground.
Your hometown.
My hometown. I'm like, no, we redo the math. There's no way that somebody from my town is closing that many transactions. So let's get this guy on the phone.
Shawn, can I help you?
Shawn, Scott Harris here. I'm with Emma Monroe. We're on, what do we call this?
Insta Story Live.
We were just talking about how Amber was on the list again, losing by 1/10,000th of a point. She won last year to a newcomer to the list, and I was telling everyone that you are from my stomping ground, so we checked the math 3 times just to make sure because we didn't think there's any way.
Shawn, do you want to introduce yourself to the audience as to who you are, who you work with?
Shawn doesn't have Instagram, and we didn't want to bounce on us, so we're doing it over the
just give us a thumbs up in the comments that you can hear it. Here's Shawn.
Okay, Shawn, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
I am Shawn Bowling. I am a loan officer with USA Mortgage, who is home-based in St. Louis, Missouri. I work for their only Ohio office, which is located in Centerville, Ohio. That's pretty close to Dayton, Ohio, which most people are familiar with. I've been in the mortgage industry for going on 22 years now. So very, very honored to get this. It was a humongous shock to me. So,
really?
But I'm very, very grateful, yes.